If you look around the world, apart from in Virginia, they have Igbo village in Virginia. They created it by putting the antiquities of Ndibo there. You can come there, kind of archive of Ndibo. But I'm creating Igbo village, which has never happened in the history of the world among the Igbos in the world. As I'm talking to you, I've acquired 50 acres of land, that is 250 plus of land along the Flower Road, that is at Old Ningo area. Along that road, it's right on the road. I acquired 250 plus of land. My reason of acquiring this land is to build Igbo village in Ghana.
Ubechim, the tea or toss as and you bet you number Pamcho, Mumwa Mekakra, Aqua no Cheresa wato at Yakamabwa, and I behind and I the Elisino, Mumwa or comment session ho. And come over you be dear Pacusias. Okay, yes, you be dear Pacusias here. It is all joining about more than a share video, and like a video. No, in fact, and come over Coso. Now, come on, I cost no the national commercial crema meti. I almost say Ghana for the Munyao. I chat 2-3 days ago, Mobaka, maybe Umbeji, Namonia Quine, the person way. Comobia Coso. And it's a one person come away a bit castle. Because a Cobasa, they do come out the trouble on Timbo. Now, the reaction and the reach and the views and how I was a message in the corner, and Cosa, the moon is okay. The people are not interested in this conversation. Then we stop. But the moment I be home commodia trouble on Timbo. Now, Mobes, the near Kwan ye, and Yaman Kwana Meta may, Mene one lady Jumano. Mimi Baba Mudum, Amanasia Siano, na also topete, na o share, na o react, na o against it. Because Ghana penny for no, they watch us, they listen to us. Another Krena Sam George, a very release statement. Almost no mobile video, and I said, almost share more reaction, no more comment, no more suggestions or no more. And the Bema say, hey, the people are serious. If you don't just watch, for also I do to comment section, okay? Now hit the like button also. And then for some I will here, but more than hit the subscribe button also, because this platform will stand out here to give you the reality in the country. Mommy, let me put this on record. The Nation Anchor, when it comes to this conversation, I am not here to politicize it. Okay? So MPP4 and NDC4, Ubabite the Nation Anchor, put away your partisan lens, okay? A partisan lens yes, me. So what the NDC they are, ubi team ya yitu form. So what the MPP they are, ubi team ya yitu form. Never a clear mind, they tell me this particular conversation or this particular platform stands for a nationalistic conversation. We hold or we deal with every conversation from a national point of view and a realistic point of view. That partisan conversation, you have your partisan bloggers there, they can do that for you. But when it comes here, it is all about our national interests. I'm not here to politicize it, and it got nothing to do with politics or partisan politics. I know you're one. Two, I'm not here to tribally blame tribe A or tribe B, because say I shifted this particular conversation to a particular tribe. A bit harder. Penny Force says I can't into an akatuo. So all of you to join hands with me, we might nationalize this conversation, and you're making sure say you better prevent what we don't want to happen for it to happen. You better prevent it from happening. The EPC is in a EPC, no. You prevent it from happening, because this is a national issue or national conversation. Do it. There are certain platforms, they will take a tribal stance, they will be they will be blaming tribal blames. I don't want to, I don't want to join that kind of conversation. Okay? So these are my stance. Understand this before you continue watching this video. Now let's go on. Let's try to so. The tell say aya opani na hinni ho nsem a enene nansa anasa na kakra ni agenter ha won tentan so a etwagu a ye nyina ye dia no atomu a mumudodo na akra na eba ye dia mu ba ye inbox mu emeli ye my messages ofa mu pama no to sa asemu emu na asemu e dia kosui mo ana mo boya na e dia babedu ba be adui etima mu nya enso aye nko a mu nyina mo ma yenye na nkomo no konkodo akire na mo bo a ma support o push videos na share no. And now we beto da so penny otimi anya asase 50 acres. I 250 plots. Yete area yete asase no wo yete say woningo pram. Ye be video on TikTok. I send a message the woningo pram. The political leaders and the traditional leaders over there catch them say they atimie mo be yimu ho ano. Enra openi Sam George ebe yi ne ho ano na de Opani Sam George ba ya obeka ye no ene da screen no so a wo hwe no according to Opani Sam George I mean quote what he said here enye me na meka ahye no o say no king has any kingdom or land in the Ningo Pram Pram. No king has any kingdom in Ningo or land in Ningo Pram Pram. Like I saw, he be asase o Ningo Pram Pram. Ningo Pram Pram constituency disregard any such claims. The ancient great Ningo kingdom is welcoming to all who visit, but none is welcome to lay claim to a kingdom here. Rest assured, we are a hospitable people, but our hospitality cannot be taken for granted. Let calm prevail. So according to Opani Sam George, osi Ningo Pram Pram for any Ghana for we dia motete no monka makomantum yam obia ento asase bia o hase na said the Ningo Pram Pram ye ti ha ye odo na ye gi ahoho no eno nkire se be makwa ma hoho bia aba be kekere ono na hini e wo hase etimo makoma emra fom to Opani Sam George e be kire mu kire Ghana for say obia ento asase we Ningo Pram Pram. But in this video ubo video yi utie papa yi a obo baby asase no wo na ye be bo na nyina atie na before that no I setting this disclaimer to abonte ho I got nothing to do personally and as I have no attack I'm not here personally to attack this man. No, me of I have a principle. Asem nsi ama me fiti prekopen kubremu abonte so ni dabi me blemu fi mpanifo it is a mete ha me ni mpanifo na e wo bi kan omo na me bi so omo questions omo na me ni omwanya. This man, the king of Igbo, I'm not here personally to attack him. I got nothing to do with him. And I said, I mean, me nini personal issue bia and I said me better be didn't attempt. To say they be no more. If you are watching me and you expect me say me didn't attempt me go after him near the idea, I'm not here to do that. No, me name penny for na because sebio obedu krono seb obedu Ghana no e penny for Ghana, right? And just obedu Ghana no starting on the pay the oye. You penny for Ghana. Your stakeholders for Ghana, they all know him, all right? I mean, so bibi wa say, meba, ansana meba papa video ama yahwe no, meba. I mean, so ade wa say. We are wine, we my penny President Kufuor, oneni nyina aton sakya, kese, utimu se, we your first time, and I say, onye hokwo e ukurum ha, omunim no. Me kasa wanya kokwa no nkyere se bia aha na ofira na sa ha no ye wo no kyese kruma mpanifo nim no oni o mampani akufo adon so ahia na da screen no so a eno so wo hwe no eno no meba be kasa ma kyere mo eno mfiri ho a mampani John Dramani Mahama krade oni no krade nkomo wo no office scrapping sa video no minim se mohu a I think say I didn't load it on this phone and I said I don't have it here oni John Mahama so only tena I mean only John Mahama din komo John Mahama office enti kroma no Opani no ba ha che atena kroma ha che aye e ba na aye sam ni ade ade a okobi ni ade a na odu ko aye bia so a sabi onko se bia ordinary person oko in the capacity of say oyo hini for the Igbo people ti aye ni bi na wo mo ekwa umu so ne mprofo esanso ko obachiachia Ghana mpanifo ni bi wayi na se atitiro ni bi Opani John Ajekum Kufuor obehu in this video say otunsa achia na ne din komo na okoto Opani Kufuor ni ma one no edin komo no eti me ka we nyina mo wanyanti ase se sabio enye se bia one nam kuntuna se na oye ne niama kruma mpanifo enim no nti se wo abufu bia enye ono so na wose wode ko in fact wabo binum nyina ahinkonya na se wabo binum nyina akonya moment intiewi
Empress Ghana ni ye futuni na we honor tight chieftaincy ayede amamie ti media ne say mema oman mienu no akapom Igbofuo Ghanafuo Nigeriafuo ye nyina aye baako na yetumi amasodwe aba Africa enye Nigeria be but Africa His Royal Majesty Chief Jude Ihenitu me godfather or me papa or yobia one lolo or him man ne yere we always sign achekakra no tin na me de Peterson Okupi buy and me call him because me chimisono any royalty me consume and because there are so many things are empress me did Nigeria for and also said me dream one account me account and almost share almost the farm. Ye frame chief Igoma Empress Gifty Atoye Kase Igoma Tresse beautiful eagle. Sisia Empress Yasa Mami a new roy as Okineno. Midi and say, Meso me area and me feel that me war a yomoto a entertainment. It's the amusement me aye, na me boa, na baby I me want me gender no, I say baby I me standing no, ye bet to me any yenu anono aka bomu, na ya ye amano aye fe. Ye bet to me aye ni yeso ya benefit every one more, no muso one benefit every one. And not in our Empress, we now a responsibility. Good.
Eti openi obedru Ghana no sabi 150 prekope ana ohirisi mu ana ose wo ye de ope dabi obedru Ghana no sabi stakeholders yes celebrities journalists mepe Captain Smart de amamo am say me delete free phone so better no am be Captain Smart de ntimu hu Igbo chame Captain Kwezuenu Igbo chiame me bone de ma muhu eti obedru oman ni mu no mpanifo ahodo amanyofo mpanifo celebrities journalists ahodo won ma mentake mo back akra say what we did the slave trade the kwan abofo fa so be fa na nanom ye omo nkoa no so wanya botra kenkan ati abakosem ni bia sabi yemfiti prekope nko obi ma mu kasa me kwakire de na yakwa da bi kwan abofo no bedru ye na omo start ye ase omo ne ye bedidwa ase omo doye peyasem ase ami omo introduce ne ma omo wo akire ama ye hu se okay there is other side of life na kakra ida na no binum gigitu mu kakra eni ba ya ho so no na kabo nti that same strategy na ye ni mpanifo ahodo ahyiahia mpanifo ahodo ni bi enya kwanya mpanifo ahodo office e bi kwa pani on ni twa picture kwa na pani ni nya we sa so meti ni mi twa picture but na the camera man take picture na abeto abontin pani we kwa eni mi nya de me a very credible person na odina musa yes am ya mamre ni amane ni e pese showcase ye nyina ya bibifo ye nyina ya for don tena ye nyina ya fa nkabo mu ntena sa wani mra ho so no aminum so kakra eti the point na me be so much as here good eti se me wabufo bi wo se bi oni bere bi a me fa nkoso pani we so me mpanifo na meka bibi a kire omo now yanko asem ne mpomponso mo amudi papa ya tem na se bi omu atake no personality ni ade no o message mamo eno so me pila mamo ate na mom yanko message na nkasa mu point na nkasa ni eye asase na wo mo ato na opani Sam George si eni ningo prampram no yentie pani no asase na wo mo ato no ba bi ye wo ene botaye nti wo mato asase no na the nation ako menya botire enjudom pacho kwa mi like button so I hit on the like button for me unya share so share for me let me know your opinion at the comment section okay right away yentie papa no why yentie
is the establishment of the first Igbo town in Ghana and of course the first in the world. If you look around the world, apart from in Virginia, they have Igbo village in Virginia. They created it by putting the antiques, antiquities of Ndibo there. You can come there, kind of archive of Ndibo. But I'm creating Igbo village, which has never happened in the history of the world among the Igbos in the world. As I'm talking to you, I've acquired 50 acres of land, that is 250 plus of land along the Flower Road, that is at Old Ningo area. But along that road, it's right on the road. I acquired 250 plus of land. My reason of acquiring this land is to build Igbo village in Ghana. I call it Amandi Igbo in Ghana. We'll build a village where we're gonna build the palace of Igbo there, a huge palace. We'll build Igbo town hall there with about 2,000 capacity chairs and 100 rooms guest house. The essence of this guest house is most of the times our governors and our Igbo great leaders do come to Ghana. You know, they always go with their entourage. If they come to Ghana, their entourage will see where they will lodge. for free of charge, maybe for a day or two. Most of their visits, it doesn't take more than 48 hours or 24 hours. They stay there free of charge, and they know that, yes, this is what they have benefited from the Igbos living in Ghana. Again, our people that have accommodation problem and all that will come get there at least for 2 or 3 days before they can get a out of the country, or those that come into the country in one way or the other will have accommodation of 100 rooms guest house. We will also, in the Palace of the Ezigbo, we will also have apartment there for special guests like governors and ministers, and in future I know that we the Igbos will provide president in Nigeria, and I know that the president that will rule Nigeria at time to come must be an Igbo man, and one day by the special grace of God he also going to be part of those that are going to lodge at the guest house there in Igbo village. In that Igbo village, my good brother, what I want to do there is we'll create streets there. We'll create streets that will represent the names of the ancient Igbos. We'll create the streets that will bear the name of Sambakwe Street. That's the ex-governor of Imo State. We'll create a street that will bear the name of Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the first president of Nigeria. We'll create a street that will bear the name of Nzogbo. We'll create a street that will bear, of course, the name of my father also, the man of the Henetu. And all the great Igbo leaders that they have gone, and those are present, will create streets in their name that will represent them in Igbo village in Ghana. And this Igbo village in Ghana, every Igbo man all over the world have right to come there and buy property. Either you want a plot of land or 2 plots of land to build your dream house. We're also going to build tall buildings of maybe 6th floor or 7th floor. We'll sell them flat by flat. And we will have a single entrance in this Igbo village. When you come in there, you know you're coming into Igbo village in Ghana. From there, the Igbos will expand. We will build markets there. Igbo market will represent there. Igbo school will be built there. We will create transport section there also. We will create what we call Ezigbo Garden. In Igbo language, you call it Mbala Ezigbo. Ezigbo Garden meaning where we create about 4 plots of land. We use 4 plots of land for that, for Ezigbo Garden, where we're going to plant yam, plant all the trees, all the leaves you can get in Igbo land. Okwa, ube, akubeke, mtoroba, oha, we're going to also plant yam there. We'll plant ube there. We plant all these things so that at the time of New Year Festival of Ezi.
And see, Assassino, or Botae, when you saw the moon, a penny, then you saw the moon, and Igbo community or person of Ghana, and Wanyabotre are outlining a day to one. Now, me a source of TV. But moment taking point after point. Now the nation you miss a question. Okay? Opening some joy, but your most share video, the mass some joy, the Sanka Mami. Most spread the video, it been called Facebook, it been called Telegram, it been called TikTok, it been called WhatsApp, most spread the video, ma'am. It miss a question. You see, the only money bisa. It's Bible no class bisa, now be. And I'll bisa, now you better cut it. And I'll share now be into your share. Share video, must be. Your critical questions will be sir. This platform is critical people's platform. So let me share video.
Is the establishment of the first Igbo town in Ghana, and of course the first in the world. If you look around the world, apart from in Virginia, they have Igbo village in Virginia. They created it by putting the antiques, antiquities of Ndibo there. You can come there, kind of archive of Ndibo. But I'm creating Igbo village, which has never happened in the history of the world among the Igbos in the world. As I'm talking to you, I've acquired 50 acres of land, that is 250 plus of land, along the Flower Road, that is at Old Ningo area.
Okay, so first question. Or say, or acquire 50 acres of land on the Flower Road at Old Ningo. This is a question. In Pamcho, you Old Ningo. And you won't new Ningo. And you won't go pram Mumwaye. Samutime boy, my who say, Old Ningo no can Ningo pram hoa. Afe, the nation and command my pam for name team. The better an ammonia for Old Ningo ho. Na yako ye, you say traditional leaders say, oh, we are aware. Na mona moton ye. and Ukrasa. Iti mumwae. Openi Sam George. Ebia, me sure. My hair for Muslim, you share video, my one sabeka. As soon old Ningo, and as soon Ningo pram. Because Utia Penia, or so more 50 acres of land. Our old Ningo along the flower road, meaning Makwa flower pen. And yet a flower, or say along that flower road, old Ningo, iti mumwae my own. Say old Ningo ni different from Ningo pram. Ye bisa question. Okay? Ebia mwante hono. Mesa abobaka momoti wasi old Ningo me so samoti iti old Ningo no different from Ningo pram mo betimi educate here we stand to be corrected and that's why we stand to be educated okay old Ningo ni Ningo ho ana Ningo pram so ho mo maye hu all right now opani kasa no wasi 250 I mean plot a omo age no omo akwa pamcho akwa no chese omato anase o makosere na ede ama mo se mo sese wa ha eno so epesi ehu what is the difference anase dia na ekoso wo mato akwa no chese o mato atuaka ise ye o mo dia sa na ti ana mo mi hu akwa 50 acres of land with akwa into mato atuaka nti se ye o mo dia yes anase ye de lisi o mo for a number of years na se dia sa se lisi obi for a number of years otimi the yes agenda we o de be chechere eho ekuro I mean community o school wo market wo ewo apartment wo a o sa betumi aton bi kurama the fellow Igbos e bisa okay yanyin tum se bia ye nton ma omo ye de alisi omo na se ye de ahan omo ana ye de ama omo so omo sese wa hase na ye de ade ama wo seje na bo ho dwa wa hase ye nton ma wa utimi ton but utie papa ne kasa o si mreko animu no omo betimi aton bi ama manfo enya memanu mu asema e beba mo watie so omo betimi anya tumi aton sansa se ni bi di ama omfalo Igbos dia then eno betimi aka kire ye mu bi se eno mato atuaka enti in the video o si old Ningo ti enyi tum se bia old Ningo ni different from Ningo pram enti old Ningo mpanimfo wo hwa me na se wo free old Ningo wo ye native of old Ningo de ekoso old Ningo ni ko bisa our traditional leaders mo send video no mo sanka de etini so maton 250 plot e de ama Igbo for so mo betete o community old Ningo ha say along the line no old Ningo I mean Igbo for no betimi kwa asa aton asase ne fa ba bi de ama o kasa Igbo for no okay the old Ningo traditional leaders no kure bibi sa wo ho maton o kuroma Ghana ha ibisa question
along that road, it's right on the road. I acquired 250 plots of land. My reason of acquiring this land is to build Igbo village in Ghana. I call it Amandi Igbo in Ghana. We'll build a village where we're gonna build the palace of Igbo there, a huge palace. We'll build Igbo town hall there with about 2,000 capacity chairs and 100 rooms guest house. The essence of this guest house is most of the times, our governors and our Igbo great leaders do come to Ghana. You know, they always go with their entourage. If they come to Ghana, their entourage will see where they will lodge for free of charge. Maybe for a day or two. Most of their visits, it doesn't take more than 48 hours or 24 hours. They stay there free of charge, and they know that yes, this is what they have benefited from the Igbos living in Ghana. Again, our people that have accommodation problem and all that will come get there at least for 2 or 3 days before they can get a out of the country, or those that come into the country in one way or the other will have accommodation of 100 rooms guest house. We will also, in the palace of the Igbo, we will also have apartment there for special guests like governors and ministers, and in future I know that we the Igbos will provide president in Nigeria, and I know that the president that will rule Nigeria at time to come must be an Igbo man, and one day by the special grace of God he also going to be part of those that are going to lodge at the guest house there in Igbo village. In that Igbo village, my good brother, what I want to do there is we'll create streets there. We will create streets that will represent the names of the ancient Igbos. We'll create the streets that will bear the name of Sambakwe Street, that's the ex-governor of Imo State. We'll create a street that will bear the name of Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the first president of Nigeria. We'll create a street that will bear the name of Nzogbo. We'll create a street that will bear, of course, the name of my father also, the man of the Henetu, and all the great Igbo leaders that they have gone, and those are present. We'll create streets in their name that will represent them in Igbo village in Ghana. And this Igbo village in Ghana, every Igbo man all over the world have right to come there and buy property. Either you want a plot of land or 2 plots of land.
Another question, why baby sir? It goes back to your first question. Now, Ibisa, you know, as I said, no more than my almost a monk of almost a saying, waha. Now, China be here, dear, bet you the idea, per se, dear. It be along the line, old Ningo for as a arbitrary. I mean, brothers, and I hope he say, Babaji assassin. It drew on my mouse from Chibian. The Becca Monfa assassin, my. They are Jake, the uncle for Abel occupy. I don't sign a moya, no more than see one, and I'm not on according to the Papa Ike, or say a miracle anymore, Ibu ni bi bagana, no pebedia as I sat to Abon Sessia, baby or no atono, or betting me to be a momo, and ye no betting me as solidify, and I say no the stamp basis to say 250 plot on Maton and 50 acres on Maton man. Old Ningo penny for a minimum say, Maton man. Ah, and now anymore, or no so big naso, aton be a diamond Ibu for. Okay. Here be some question. Yeah, no, yeah, cracky brains, no. We are, you become cratch to me. Maybe.
Plan to build your dream house. We're also going to build tall buildings of maybe 6th floor or 7th floor. We'll sell them flat by flat, and we will have a single entrance.
Anti, omubesi apartment or this particular land here or ma so no ma be. Okay. All right. Oh, in old Ningo or Ghana. Okay. All right. In
this Igbo village. When you come in there, you know you're coming into Igbo village in Ghana. From there, the Igbos will expand. We will build markets there.
A very valid point over here. From there, Igbos will expand. Okay. All right. But you're into also. For example, like button, so mame. Oh, share me live on Swah. Love icon be that see hit on the love icon. Let's share this particular video. Na yewie ya be kan crash it to me. Monim the nation and be to me. You be kan yansam. Yam kono basa basa. Aha, you can crash it to me. Yanko.
Igbo market will represent there. Igbo school will be built there. We will create transport section there also. We will create what we call Ezigbo garden. In Igbo language, you call it Mbala Ezigbo. Ezigbo garden meaning where we create about 4 plots of land. We use 4 plots of land for that, for Ezigbo garden, where we're gonna plant yam, plant all the trees, all the leaves you can get in Igbo land. Okwa, ube, akubeke, mtoroba, oha, we're gonna also plant yam there. We'll plant ube there. We'll plant all these things so that at the time of New Year Festival of Ezi.
Fantastic. Omochichiri kuro, omochichiri Igbo kuro, na di omo eniso adi hunu omo na odi egu akwan mu a se me boso bako amu atibie mu a ebre ko animu no omanya asase na to hodada e old Ningo etopani Sam George ubetimi aboaye na wama yehu. Do we have Ningo pram and old Ningo? We have to understand. If I say nyantiase ye o Ningo pram and you old Ningo ana anase ni nyina bom se sa ne tede a epese nyantiase, okay? Because maybe you video be a kire mu what the maya ko South Africa we are ashating me ebi asipen is asi o South Africa me am no kase ameyi sa video na kire mu amamo se de etie ebi na ne pompon so na ema ne muso o ye krom hai ye ni ase betu obi asosa ye mpanifo na betu obososa ne ebi so mo kwahyen ni agye kire mu because the mpanifo se bi jawa na e da so ewi ni enwi yanko enim mohwe ade wi wa ha mame mohwe video wi wa ha Ghana fo ni bi enenam ententan no so this is normal. We have Ashanti Kings in America, in UK, in Germany, and you know the antenna moye de this. We have I mean, people living across the world also building their communities didn't know. The question I'm more money. Mato asase. Ghana for na more business question no. Mo akwa land. Mato asase wo US am so mo dey build them communities am mutimi twa asase ni bi ton ana. Mo dey insanity here. Mo why. Ghana ni adwene awu. Wo ka kire buru ni kura wonyi ni. Adwene na wu. Wo ya ho hwe nyeye. And Ghana for America na dia den so wa hini mo de mo hini na mo wo no no mo hini no mo wo wan ka kura tale ho enye adwuma na mo sori amokoba na se eyiye bi ba ana se afahye bi ba na mo tutuntuma na mo ahia wo dan bi mo ho bi ana se banquet bi ana makwaje ba bi na mo je mo nya didi awi ye yedi mu bi achi a wo yemfa san kwasampafo no argument na ntonchen ne yenkoso de asase na yemu bi ka ho asem na ebinu madwene yo mo se eye tan Nigeria fo ana tan ne tan Igbo fo. We don't hate Nigerians, we don't hate Igbos in time will be hard. Nan so mpanyimfo se awuno be penti aboasere wajeje ne ba na we ni atonchen enei bebe wiase na duru no bibia ya perapere enei ubia de nyansa ana enenam asase no so nam ewiase nim ulusu gade pe wo de wonchirema ebeto asemu ulusu a slight ulusu a little chance wo de generations in the next 20-30 years ebeto asemu de eden tokwa beba wiase beba bitu among tribes conflict ni ade no enya bonsam be ne nyame bi na orchestrate you na sase ni bia ni na Orania, I was South Africa. Or the Maya de Yako. Young Konami, young Kuti. We are. I mean, some Georgia. Some Georgia, the question I want money, a bisa we. If we are, they may come to me. Munti, who could be more South Africa? Munti.
So these people believe they are Africans. They live in Africa. But then they don't allow any blacks in their town. Now, I didn't even know that there's a place like this in Africa until Wodimaya went to this place. The name of this place is called Orania. It's in South Africa. Now, these people are Dutch settlers who came to South Africa in the 17th century. And according to them, they bought the land from the government. The people from this place are called Afrikaners. Now, these people have their own culture. They have their own currency, they have their own flag and everything. You get it? If you want to be part of this community, first of all, you have to be a white person. That is the key factor. And second of all, you have to be fluent in their language, which is the Afrikaans. Look at my face. And third, you have to be a Calvinist Christian. And your record has to be clean. You don't have to have any criminal record.
Our name is Afrikaners. Our language is Afrikaans. Right. So we feel part of this continent, and maybe people don't agree, but I don't have another home. Obviously I know that I have European roots.
Yeah.
400 years ago.
Yeah.
For 400 years my people have been here.
Yeah.
I love Africa. I don't want to live anyplace else. The question, why can't a black person come here, is not the right question. It's more a question like a marriage between two people. It's exclusive affair. Doesn't mean you're against anyone else. We want to preserve our culture. We want to preserve our traditions, our faith, our language. These are the things that we want to preserve.
But someone might ask, if you want to preserve your culture, you're preserving your culture on a land that belongs to South Africans.
The land here we bought, we paid for it.
From who?
Well, at that stage we bought it from the previous owner, which was the government. Right?
But I don't think an African can leave Africa, go to Europe, and say that we just bought this land and no one is allowed to come in.
Abusia, we are sure some more kuti. Yes, I'm mobile, yes, and TV. I mean, you put and family compare the FFL Ghana. Oh, that way, I somebody more fun, get more fun, work up. Okay, that's it. More Mokasa, that's it. Young funny, get fun, work up. Young Jessica, young to you be on Contoka. You perceive mamu the image of the next 30, 40, 50, 100 years. They may happen, you perceive mamu that image. Okay? So, show me, I say, oh, besides, I was sudden on fire, what for some will walk up now when you break us a one. Men fan walk up. Men got you be a swap bad, you be a kind. Men will be a no be a crying to mammy. me person ma who say the next 30, 40, 50, 100 years endru na me no me be awuko de ebesi ye chi no me person ne me twa the image me twa the picture kire say the be ya wo da wadaka mnamu na say wo sama ma ne mu so no ohwe a wo sana be kai say oh kwasi apani bi ye friend of fire no koto say na wo ka wo YouTube fe na ekoso that time no na wo na nanom esu frew na ata na wo ko enka bia ne a wo chesi wo ne me ya adwene me ya bisa question to one na papa bia wo na nanom me twa sai dwadwo no madwuma me ye no sati o ran ya de ne bi sati bi tie.
So these people believe they are Africans. They live in Africa, but then they don't allow any blacks in their town. Now, I didn't even know that there's a place like this in Africa until Wodimaya went to this place. The name of this place is called Orania. It's in South Africa. Now, these people are Dutch settlers who came to South Africa in the 17th century. And according to them, they bought...
Omo Dutch settlers. Omo Dutch amorfo. Omo be settle South Africa. Some years ago. Omo Igbo for omo ba Ghana. Ana omo so omo pe baabi abo omo sese. Nti mo me ton ha mo bo ni bia bi nyina ya bi before. Omo Dutch settlers. Ana omo ba South Africa be bo omo ho adwa. Ana omo ato sa asase no. Yento aso.
The land from the government. The people from this place are called Afrikaners. Now, these people have their own culture. They have their own currency. They have their own flag and everything.
You get it?
Oh, you perceive a Igbo community. Na yesi adan a ye Igbo for no bombenya baby ada. Na ye farms bia enema bia eduadua wo Igbo asase so Nigeria na eduadua bi was the farms ye wo hayi. Na ye ti Igbo school. Na ye ti Igbo market. Na ye culture ye Igbo culture no. I mean ye maintain na ye keep ye Igbo community ha. Ye pen ye betena ha sei. The indigenous say omo a ye beto omo man mu de ni omo entena ha. Yankasa Igbo for ya na ye betena ha. We Orania for omo ankasa omo so asase. The penny transia wo hu no abofra furu dua tentene kwa wo hu ya me my for no ekata o mani o mu hu ade obu bi o mani o mu hu ade na mbe da akata o mbe dom awurade yakopon chala katema yanko.
If you want to be part of this community, first of all, you have to be a white person. That is the key factor. And second of all, you have to be fluent in their language, which is the Afrikaans.
Look at my face.
And third, you have to be a Calvinist Christian, and your record has to be clean. You don't have to have any criminal record.
Our name is Afrikaners. Our language is Afrikaans. Right. So we feel part of this continent, and maybe people don't agree, but I don't have another home. Obviously I know that I have European roots.
Yeah.
400 years ago.
Yeah.
For 400 years my people have been here.
Yeah.
I love Africa. I don't want to live anyplace else. The question, why can't a black person come here, is not the right question. It's more a question like a marriage between two people. It's an exclusive affair. Doesn't mean you're against anyone else. We want to preserve our culture. We want to preserve our traditions, our faith, our language. These are the things that we want to preserve.
But someone might ask, if you want to preserve your culture, you're preserving your culture on a land that belongs to South Africans.
The land here we bought, we paid for it.
From who?
The land here we bought, we paid for it. Eti uko South Africa sisi ya enkofo ya menu ka say ya o movie do me bo akere wi. O mati o mo hu. From Orania, mo from the Afrikaners. O mo sika, o mo currency, o mo ndi South Africa sika. South African currency o mo ndi bi. O mo nse South Africa aban ase. O mo no so. O mo no even 500,000 people lumpo. So when the omo population, how betimi that comment section wa mai. Omo no 500, omo no 100,000 pombe du. Obi mo aye comment section wa with their population. Omo currency. Omo bank. Omo ankasa constitution. Omo flag. Omo health structure. Ne titiri chawa nyina se wo mo na no ato asase no afri South African government ho ana omo atena ho nti eho ye omo dia omo na nanu mo to asase no every South African government ho ana omo abo omo sese omo na nanu mo to asase no free South African government ho no omo echechire omo ebo omo ho adwa no omo ambo omo ho adwa amfa nhye South Africa abayase omo bo omo ho adwa ate omo ho de achechire omo ye oman on their own yenwi na menkasa mechire mo.
Well, at that stage, we bought it from the previous owner, which was the government, right?
But I don't think an African can leave Africa, go to Europe, and say that we just bought this land and no one is allowed to come in.
Wademaya Bisan say, kudos to Wademaya, credit to Wademaya. Wademaya Bisan senti, before you so bet me a common so one my hold one so, Mabro Chiriho, Mu Europe and America ho, near Yakoto Assassin, acres of land, hectares of land. The answer be at a trick, the African community. Oh, what? You bet my answer. The question is up to you. More answer question or comment section. How many? A possible, sir. Before more do or sir. Be our mama you. You see, oh, cast somewhere, Obi Tiwa, or the Asoboni bit you in there. Or Chinabi, a baby agana for I didn't see you out. Because, I saw my sick. Baby, we are sending to me. Ade a yemfen diagro any territory ka territory a baby a wonne won so onko manfo mowo a mobo mu hwadwa ewiase asase ne achawie sase bia na baby bia mu a afi ne yakopre ho enya gisa different planet temo dia me no tiso idie ya chawiase na wie Assassins are being owned by various nations, countries. Achawi, Epo, Yachapu Nevi, Epone Dawsano. There are territories, there are boundaries. Ewopunim, untimim crossu, crossum ko bidim, asambato, Japone Dahono, Ghana one dear, Togo one dear, Ama mind that ponano nyina ubia woni dia ya to na no Ghana ni Cote d'Ivoire e ko gina court ya tuchi katanom ni nyina ne se ya discover oil e wo apunim na oil na e discover apunim no asa akwo Ghana ni Cote d'Ivoire hye so e wo apunim nti Cote d'Ivoire fo se o mo dia na Ghana fo ye so se ye dia e wo apun twe ho da awrea sana finally Ghana e dim kunim na abe Ghana dia ti pone da ho no e chawie ewiem e the skies na ohu ni sa no ya chawie e wowura o man bia wo ni wiem to man bi timi kase ma close me airspace when na wa mmomodene amfa wo craft na wo aircraft bia amfa ha wo bomodene de fa ha meti atofom ewiem na ho no ya chawie. Now, my member Jena Assassin, so because what we are discussing here is assassin. Ya chawie no say abine dia abine the control what to me was what is sama no ne ho said o ba hye no. But in Africa here no ya na anya abine dia completely. Anya abine dia in total say abine control assassin. Various tribes, various clans, various ethnic groups, tribes ahodo, clans ahodo, omuna assassin yo modia ti ba bia mo so mo nananom di kan be settle ye ebedua ye ebeso ye no eho a omo ebo ho ban no eho ye modia ti mu nyini no na e kan kwade ne ye nto okay wo so ko bo sesen wa ha wo so ko bo sesen wa ha saa ene ne aba bedun pempenso se age se odi sika kakraba nti ne ye ton nti Ghana wo pasase ato a menye sure se wo bakọ aban ho na akoto asase wo bakọ ahemfo ho ene abusua hodo akandifo ho various leadership of various clans and then groups ethnic or tribes no akọ akọ asase ni bi ato tie no na among ye ho no de ye ton ma ye ho na mo musa kokko be free ni man so aba wo man mu tie mi ye kokko bi be free ni man so aba wo man mu. So person ye bibi no be hia asase no ye ntoma no me say Sa ko bi be firi ne man so aba wo man mu. Sa o pasase dia ye bibi no ye ntoma no. Ye de han no. O pasase dia ye bibi. Eno kra no ye be hwe dia wo de ye. O de ye den. Okay. Adwuma wo de ye no. Ebe boa ye. Yenso ebe nya so mfaso. Ebe boa ya ma yenso ye man na konkan. Na nso anya mfaso a wo pe. Intene de be han mfiedu num mfio ha de be han ni agi huska mfio ha no so a ida se ye be gi asase because e bia enduru ho no na ya se atre na ye ma doso na ye so generations aye more na ye so ye atre ahyem na be ba behia se ba bia ne wo no ye be gi e dia ma ye wo na asase ne omo dia ye nananom ye generations to come entientimi ntoma na ankodu da achi bi na wo ma ene ye ma ba be kuntokwa se enye ye dia eye wo omo dia because omo na na toy ne santi ni nyansam no wo ba na obepa asase a the high and toma no they make if I'm not making sense you can just tell me at the comment section so far you are not making sense and I will stop talking about this particular issue. So if I'm not making sense just tell me so far there is no sense in what you are saying. But the more country why? Nyansa ni nimdi ni baako fotru. Beti ha minim nyansa nsem mo amutie me nyina. Beti ha minim nyansa nsem mo amohwe me nyina. Ebia mumudu na munya akwanya kra mo betima kanya asama sen dia mekan. It is if I'm not making sense ka kire me. Ghana ye mistake bia oman mafo na ni ma ho because oman mafo na nkasa ya bodam ana ye mu akyese ne ye ko ye ho ntokwa. Ene obeduru Ghana ha tribal fight. Tribe way got on my phone and they are creating artificial tribal hatred among ourselves and here queer home. Instead of say tribe will be able to pay attention to themselves, the votarians. Instead of say votarians may pay attention to their voter region. No, but making sure say the well-being of voter region is their topmost priority. No, there be a votarians don't want to know completely, but omumu ebinum. Omo akoma so ade no mani so ade hunu ne se yendidi tribe bi atem yen huru tribe bi yen sere tribe bi yen twetwe tribe bi particularly Asantis most of votarians on social media omo akoma so ade ne se yen huru Asantifo ndidi otumfa atem na omo te no mani age na omo share no mo ka oh you are telling them the truth na ni wura fi ono ankasa ni voter region. But me no work say me do voter regions here. You have no idea the number of Lebanese and Brazil for o ma be hye ho a wo mo so jinsase no ye tomo mo a wo mo so de ye wo mo so niema a wo mo so secure asase na to ho a in the next years to come no the votarian nani baba no so obefiri akwantu ma ba fie so be pass asase ato no obeto afiri ho ho nsam but no nya votarian no na koma so ade ne say yindi asante hina tem di asantefo atem oh na ninje obekwa kodru back no na de asi na chinie enkanfo binom no nyina ebinom omo makoma so ade ne say oh why na platform be the social media wo di asantefo atem ndi o matem mai na o mani age na omo share na o mani age si di asan na o mankasa nkra asase no de ekoso wo so de manfo na kuntina se ye wo mankasa nkra asase no so no eno omunya we till the next 10 years 20 years to come no omani bra omo so no na eniema afa omase the very greedy traditional leaders among them instead of them to pay attention over there to make sure say what are these guys doing, is it helping the future of our land, of the generations to come? They are not doing that. Their interests why need their antifatem, why need you to fatem, mundo matem move from na almost share or focus on one casa de cos one assassin so dear unim. Why not dinner? Ni interest in say why need their antifat 80 tribe me and some bossy. Some nordiness, some gas, some vote make us all complete because you want answer for whom to say me a votarian. But I'm not, I won't subscribe to say Ubi fast and Tefonia Piapia. Na mimi ko serena enye mimi source of happiness na maninje ho. No. I won't subscribe to say Ubi fan California Piapia. no obi nin crafo atem na maninje na me support one. No, I won't subscribe say obi ndi tribe phobia atem obi ndi votarians atem na maninje see edi votarians atem debi. I won't subscribe to that. I'm a votarian, in case you don't know. But my topmost priority is say, what is going on in my voter region? What are my traditional leaders doing? My traditional leaders, what are they doing? My political leaders, what are they doing in my voter region? Are they, putting things in place for the development of the region? Are they creating jobs in the region? Are they building infrastructures in the region? The region, do we have future? The generations coming, what are we doing to prevent them from migrating or from leaving the region to other regions to go and suffer? Are we building the region to the extent that the youth from this region will stay and live here and have a better life here? That is my topmost priority. That is what I will think about. But the Northerner will not think of this. The Northerner will not hold his political leaders from the Northern region accountable. He will not hold them, I don't know. The Northerner will not hold his traditional leaders from the Northern region. He will not hold them accountable. The Northerner is not expecting them to do something better in the Northern region for the generation of Northerners coming to live and stay in Northern region, for the Northern region to be also somewhere safe, comfortable for them. No, their interests in due to fight them. And when a boys need Basawala boys need to take advantage of that. And when they create platforms on social media. And the Asante Sababe, the Real Madrid of tribe in this country, inti yenkudi omatam yenkitwi womu na Asante for no so are just focusing on themselves. No two for negotiate, no two for deals, no two for keka niam si ani, no mo building. Why be you say wo de see edi omatam ye twetwi womu na wo sere. But no two for no so didn't come World Bank, IMF one, I said, baby, over be a Sikaba or the Bayan and go on the way. No, ye. Now, who would have said, with generations, but to quite free off. Abba Shanty Regina, baby pa, the Abba Church woman, the Abu now because of a tribalist or your tribalist. What now, Krum, or when you call me a whole year, and Kaoka Honmo, you boo, and my respectable war. But oh, you were near also now, see, young church will be, young city will be, young will be. And ye who didn't attempt the attention, and also pay attention or they put two near together. I didn't know more sermon, I didn't know more church. Oh, okay, and the mammy didn't building in Tenia Santa Fo or move to Quaco baby. Their topmost priority is a baby do a Santa Region. In Teneuca Santa Regina, or more creative jobs, or one air building. And I won't order regional, won't mean yes, I did a human want to know, would you make a baby power Santa Region? And a free voter region, maybe some also want to know, voter you to dim the power Santa Region, a baby power greater Accra. See, focus on our various regions, our various territories. They have boy and penny for all pressure. I'm a development, I'm a muswa. Or who be a team in Betinsi and fast yam build a kingdom in kingdom and a kingdom in our country. But ye nano, do nano. Attention now switch free, focusing on ourselves, how we can develop together unanimously, in a diverse way. Attention free ho, and attention in Akojina say, tribe will be tribe will be Kontopa, tribe will tribe will ya. And Timona more fear no more trouble, and I hope one ababe sim, and I hope one in Amasia all year underground works. Ya bodam tina mashata de wi no ya bodam me metenase na me kasa banya sanity house abranti kasam. From today we are Votarian, we are Northerner, we are Ga, we are Santi, we are Fanti, we are Akan. Muma starting making sure say we pay critical attention to our leaders in our various sects, in the leadership in our various sectors. You hold the political leaders, you hold more responsible. The traditional leaders, you hold more responsible. No, Munsha Daniel, almost starting young to 2 years. Na Mwama baby, a free beer, a won't go ye. Na yen jai say, a fee ye tie your home. Na fee ye 2 years, ye binuso. Na fee ye see a watch. A walk over fast yababi so. The opening has started in all year. Asa grown. So much in your toss, so na yet 250 plot no much in your toa. Anya home crata. A beggar said, Manu Yano. Mobile sa san crata ni. Namudo musica bemo, Namobemo, when you're in Tasses, a young Tomamo. Ye de behind me. mobetimi da ye project bi afuo baby a mobetena temporary bi mobetimi aye nsa na mom se aton ama mo ne ya giska ha wo ton asase nei ama hoho e wo ne wiase wo ton asase e so sa enye 1 plot bi nye 2 plot bi according to papa ni kasa em wo kire se enna ni animu ba no omo betre o ma hiem ye di jai di akro inim de we yenimu ye di jai di akro na dia ma South Africa for issue we e wo no enko ye pinchen na twema mentwema ye ne se abrofo no sabio omo hodwo omo nim so omo ndoso omo nto South Africa for no e ba no poke ka South Africa for no betimi aha omo enti de omo ye ne se omo hye omo kona no omo kyekere omo man omo ni obi anko ye twema mentwe ana South Africa man nan kasa nso kura no abrofo na bomode ne adidi mu adidi abedu fa ti wo ya bibini wo South Africa na ya wadwe se wo betu nkrofo so sa abrofo na South Africa no ene odi besi adi ti wo man na ye South Africa man na ye be before man no abrofo no eje o man na fra be before ni sem yentena Ghana na ya dwe ye se oh how peaceful oh how the ideas and the money dey be ntimi nsi wa ha ati e wodo e be ntimi nsi wa ha beba okay yentena Ghana yemfa santu etiri oh Ghana dey a peaceful country e be ntimi nsi wa ha se ati efie bi e wa ni mu ba hoho beton asase ama omani ama Ghana ni yes because me no ka say how I assassin ye na eye fertile no abrofo nya bedu krom happy no mo edi da kakra wa happy o mo nim say empanifo no ye very greedy people ye traditional leaders ye very greedy people ye political leaders ye very greedy people no master take tons asero dollar fear bi no de ajasase yan tan kakra de yakoso no nti se utie mi a wani bre a question uga traditional leaders wani bre a question voter region traditional leaders wani bre a question northern region traditional leaders wani bre a question Ashanti regional traditional leaders question wo mo starting sending signals and warnings mom kan kire o mo say free neko o bi a monim se moto asase dia ma no mo nkoye sakiraye ewo nkrata nim mo fa asase ne han omo ma mo nto asase ne mo muntie me mo nko kan kire mo ahemfo ne mo traditional leaders no any individuals o mo won asase mo mbodwa mo ma message we nko starting free ne free this year so from now onwards see a toma ya ye ho a is laudable it say wo but se ho bi fra bonten ba Mamon Tonya says in Mako Hobi. Won't starting fancy no high or more for some years. They timid wrong. The message down at the number. Moi, moody papa, we at them na most send a coso. Or some in country, say, or Mamma from when you better man so. Monco Pedro Manye. His Royal Highness has a message for those that have been insulting and attacking him. My king, tell them something.
Our host nation is the Igbo people, the Igbo tribe. I'm not even ruling other Nigeria tribes, just the Igbos. And by the special grace of God, we respect the land. We submit to the authority of the land. I've lived in Ghana for many years. This is my 30 years in Ghana, in and out Ghana. Married a Ghanaian, also a queen mother from her community. And I have no criminal record in Ghana. I'm a genuine businessman. I have no criminal record in Ghana. I work so hard for daily bread. So you go and work so hard for daily bread. Don't sit down behind the camera and blogging with fake information and fake and destruction of people's name. Be careful.
Abushia, some tititia. Moi, Modina temo attacking no. mo wani bia mo fan kom penny for so enyo no because ho to abonten punu ho to abonten punu ma na kese o mani kromani ni mo bi be the of the national call and then the first time I would tell you more than hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that I won't miss any episode from this country, from this platform. Thank you so much. See you in my next episode. Now me come for JSIK or do me kwa benyama boom junction at the amount. Piao. Mami for ura JSIK I would do me kwa benya boom junction. Kwa benya boom junction opposite the Shell filling station. Mami for ura JSIK. In fact, anything iPhone so upe binato upe brand new upe UK used slightly UK used bura JSIK or kwa benya boom junction. Abronsan ne Shell filling station di ihwani mu no abonsan no so ho JSIK ho no bowura ho na woni mu amama sem auto slightly used UK iPhone na all types na omobema all the accessories and ka auto no inbox a ubenya talking of charger screen protector omobema all these accessories they said they were to no inbox pepepe which is unusual, which is not done so anywhere. Auto slightly used UK phone na auto phone no pe na ubenya but auto no JSIK they will give you quality charger, original charger. They will give you screen protector. They will give you cover. It's a mesre. Upebi na too. Screen protector. Anything iPhone, anything iPad, anything enter JSIK. I work with Bina. Our number on the screen is on 026 73 70010. 026 73 70010. Bura JSIK. I work with Bina. My boom junction. Almost some. This is Nako. Piao.